Hello everyone, this is Namrata. So again I have stopping myself from taking videos because my exam has been come so far and I just entered my midterm exam. Then I have my main exam, final exam from 26 April. So because of this I am not able to post anything or make any videos. But as I said in my previous video, I already said that I'm going to make a novel of the all the elements, all the rules, all the genres you guys have been chosen. But it will take a little bit of time because once my exams got finished and I will start writing the novel. Even though I have thought a little bit of things like how to put things and how to make a world while connecting all the genres you guys have been picked up. So it will take a time, but in meanwhile I got another ideas which I saw in my dream. And if I say it is just a kind of normal idea anyone can get, but the idea makes it difference is that it has two male leads. Yeah, you guys heard me right, it has two male leads and both are the male category. So category of male lead, and there is only one female lead, so you guys kind of connect. It is gonna be kind of reverse harem thing. I have never tried anything like that, but I trying to process thing because it is based on the urban category, which will the world will set up on the modern world, and in modern world kind of things are kind of messed up. Even though however I want to set up, I can't bring into fantasy or myths or what should I say about that, elements your family rules, in fantasy or historical genres. They kind of used to make a reverse harem or anything because they have choice for that. But in urban category it is kind of difficult because people will judge if a female lead two male at the same time, even though it is her own choice. But I'm going to think how I'm going to portray, because if it were a historical genre I don't think it would bother me a lot, because it is kind of a same, every historical thing has gone in different direction, even though some of them has keeping only one wife. But if I want to add a harem thing, then I can make two or three characters among them also. But the point is I am struggling to write about the whole setup in the urban modern world, because it is kind of becoming a tough genre for me, even though I have decided the ending and decided the starting also, and I have decided what I am going to add in the middle part also. So I have every elements, but the issue is how am I going to add everything to make the perfect world, because in in modern world you can't expect fantasy in it, but you can say you can expect conflict, family arguments or family disturbance, or if I say company problems, a third party entering into the relationship. Yeah, these guys can build up the story and make it work. But the story is how am I going to introduce a world that in a real world too reverse harem can be exist. So in this time I will thought till my exam got finished, so I have lot of time to decide what I'm going to do with this genre and how am I going to introduce this world to others, my readers. So I think I will find a way to introduce them, and at the end I will able to convince the readers also that it is also a good thing to be a novel. So for now, bye bye.